Okay, let's be real. Finding a salad dressing that's actually healthy but still tastes good is a challenge. Most are loaded with sugar, mystery oils, or way too much calories. So when I tried the Simple Girl organic sweet vinaigrette, I was honestly surprised at how good it was. First off, it checks all the boxes: organic, gluten free, vegan, zero carbs, and fat free. Basically, it's the unicorn of dressings. Perfect if you're watching calories, doing low carb, or just trying to eat cleaner. The taste, light, tangy, and the right touch of sweetness without that fake aftertaste you sometimes get in diet dressings. I used it on a chicken salad, and it instantly took it up a notch. You don't feel like you're missing out or eating diet food. If you're into keto, low carb, or just want a healthy swap that actually tastes good, I'll definitely recommend grabbing this 2 bottle pack. It's become a staple in my fridge.